Hi, Chris here, and we got a nice beautiful day out here in Bend, and I'm gonna go take this little RadExpand 5 and go right up to the top of that right there that you can see behind me. And I can actually show you what it looks like in front of me. So that's Pilot Butte right there. I'm gonna go up that with just the throttle only and see if it can make it. So I'm down here at the base of Pilot Butte in Bend, Oregon, and I have my RadExpand 5, and I'm gonna go all the way up to the very top of this thing just with the throttle only to see if it'll make it. So it should be pretty cool. One great thing about this video is it's about 7:30 p.m. right now and the sunset's at 8. So once I get to the top, I'm gonna record the whole sunset and watch it all go down, and it'll be at the end of this video. So let's check it out. So I'm just down at the base and I'm gonna try to do this whole ride just using the throttle on this thing. So this is the new RadExpand 5. This has a 750 watt hub motor. I did this ride with the electric XP that had a 500 watt hub motor, and I was pedaling and it made it up pretty good, but I'm curious to see if the throttle will make it all the way up this. I'm going about 11 right now. This starts off a little bit mellower, but then gradually gets steeper and steeper. So hopefully I don't overcook the motor doing this. This is not really what the throttles are meant for, but I'm just kind of curious to see if it'll make it all the way up. I weigh about 220. I have a chair and some camera gear and a bag and stuff with me. Got the chair so I can sit at the top and watch the sun go down. So now we're gaining a little speed, going about 16, 17, but up ahead is where it starts to get real steep. So we'll see if this is gonna make it. I think it will make it. It just will be really slow. Oh, we're slowing down now. Oh, it's slowing. I'm below 8. Oh, it's hanging out at about 7.7. Just cruising up. Well, we're going about 8.5 now. Went up a little. The wattage is saying about 730. I'm not sure why it's not giving me the full 750, because I'm certainly using it. But so far, we're just creeping up. Oh, just made it over 8 miles an hour. But with just the throttle only, so far it's making it up. Oh no, it's going about 7 right now. This climb gets to about 13% or so, I think, at the steepest. Hopefully, if that little map video worked at the beginning of all this, you can see the route. That's kind of a new toy I'm playing with, but we're just heading right up. So I'll go ahead and speed up the rest of this and then slow it down once I get to the top. So this is the section where it gets the steepest. Let's see if it can give me up it. Oh, it's going. It's still going. Got down almost to 5 miles an hour, but I haven't pedaled yet. This is another pretty steep little section right at the end here. Oh, I made it all the way up to the top. Just using the throttle. So usually on nice Sundays, it's super packed up here, but there's not too many people up here right now. Pretty calm. So surprisingly, that little bike made it the whole way up without me having to pedal at all. So just using the throttle. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next one. And you can watch the sun go down right now.